Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm still in St. John Island. I'm going to the other side. I'll show you where's the place. I wanted to go to the other island, but it's too late. Maybe around 4:15 we still can go there. Ga! Saan kayo? Doon tayo maglatag tayo, oh. There's a monkey there. Later I'll show you the monkey. Monkey eating banana. Dito tayo, oh. We're going to sit here. So tiring. Dito tayo, oh.
I'm Angay.
Maninga. I need to find some monkey. Oh! So nice! I like them. They're so flexible. How I wish I can jump like that also. Dira lang. Nami di ka hangin. Hi, there's a monkey there. There's a monkey there. There, the monkey is there behind me. Can you spot them? The monkey. Monkey. They're so cute. Actually, they're so cute. I like them. I like them so much. Where are they? They are there. Hi. I forget to bring some banana for them. This is St. John Island. It's beautiful, isn't it? St. John. Monkey is there. It's so cute. They're so cute. Can you see them? They're behind. They're behind. They're so cute, right? Can you see? Can you guys? Can you see it, guys? It's there. It's there. It's there. Can you see it? They are playing. Oh, I wish I can go down like that also. Woo! Did you not? So cute, right? They are so cute. Yeah, there's the big one on top. Can you spot them, guys? They're so cute. Okay, next time I come here, I bring some banana for them. This the hobby. Can you see them? They are upstairs. Up on top. Yeah, there. 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 Monkey. Ooh. They are there. Monkey. Monkey. Joke. The monkey is there. There. Can you see it, guys? I actually like to see them. They are so cute. Wow, so cute, right? So cute, right? So cute, right? There. Woo. There. Can you see it, guys? So cute there. It's nice, right? Oh, the monkey is there. It's there. There. So cute. They are upstairs. Upstairs. They are on top there. They are there. I wanted to go near to them, but I'm scared. I'm scared. ARD. I'm scared that they are going to bite me. I'm scared of them, but they are so cute, right? There. There. They're there. They're going down. Going down. They're there. They're going down, maybe. There, the monkey's there. There. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for all the support and see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave some comment there if you want to ask me anything about the St. John Island, how to come here. Yeah, you can just leave your comments there. Thank you everyone. Thank you.